gentlemen, this is TBD and Ghost Court!
All of the court cases that you're going to see tonight are real. These are real cases between the actual living and the actual dead. The participants in these cases have agreed that all decisions reached in this place will be, as their resting places, final. Welcome to Ghost Court.
All rise! Oh yay, oh yay, oh yay, all rise! The Honorable Judge Spookington presiding. Ghost Court is now in session. You may be seated.
Welcome to the court, Your Honor.
Well, yeah, okay. Well,
Here, let me.
it's hard being a ghost, you know? You put it on your head and it doesn't always work.
No, it goes right through you sometimes.
All right. See here now. This is my court, all right? My court. And as such, we will follow the rules of my court. You don't talk unless I tell you you're talking. Otherwise, I'm gonna bring this guy here and he's gonna cut you. No, not that guy here, and he's gonna cut you. He's gonna gut you like a fish. Somebody gut that man like a fish. Thank you, bailiff. Now, close our first case.
Yes, Your Honor. Our first case, we have case number 5, Jenkins versus Lucretio.
Jenkins, Lucretio.
This is a contract dispute between the living owner of Ye Old Haunted Housewell Incorporated and an employee ghost. Your Honor.
All right, bring him in. Come on in. Stand on either side. That's how it works. It's court. Stand on one side or the other. All right, present your case. Plaintiff. Present your case, plaintiff.
Well, that's me. I'm Jenkins. I'm the owner and proprietor of Ye Old Haunted Well in Franklin, Ohio. It is a haunted well / gift shop / miniature golf course. We employ one Lucretio, who is a terribly ghastly ghost, to scare our paying customers when he bothers to show up. We have a signed contract and he just doesn't come to work.
Do you have a copy of the contract?
Your Honor, the copy of the contract has been submitted for evidence.
It does look like this has been signed by a ghost.
Okay, here's the thing. Okay, so I signed it, right? All right, and yeah, I was found in the well. But look, does it look like I died in the well? No. Someone came and slit my throat. All right? And then they threw me in the well. So I'm not even haunting the well because I didn't die in the well. No, I died in a house. So why do I have to spend my life in a well? Oh no. I said, why do I have to spend my life in a well? Let me tell you. I was sleeping one night. My wife came in. She said you did a terrible job of putting down twins, and then she split my ear to ear. Yeah, she split me ear to ear. She threw me on the ground. There was a tarp. She tied it all up and did it hard. She pulled me down the stairs, but I wasn't dead, and then she slit my throat. Ear to ear. So you see that contract? Yeah, give it up for me. Now this,
Very compelling singing, as well as a compelling story. Now, I have split somebody from ear to ear before, and let me tell you, it's fun for me, but not for the victim. Do you have a rebuttal, anything to say for yourself? He's saying he didn't even die in the well.
That would be a fantastic song that my customers would love to hear. He did kind of bury the lead there, where he was thrown into the well at the end of his murder, and what's more, the contract doesn't even say anything about...
Your Honor, I have a police report and evidence here that demonstrates that the body was discovered in the well.
Just a simple businessman who owns a haunted well.
here's the deal, all right? I want to sing a dance. You know I love singing a song.
Yeah.
But when I'm in the bottom of the well singing this, I'm like... No one can frickin' hear me, you know?
Well, they can hear you a little, and then they buy another ticket to hear you more. It's just capitalism.
Yeah, for you, it's good for you, it's not good for me!
Whoa, order! Order! All right, one final question. How much are you paying him for his services?
$3.25 an hour.
$3.25.
In American currency?
Yes.
In the mortal realm?
Yes.
How do you like that mortal money?
Can't even use it, you know? I go to the store and some guy's like, holy crap, you're like a dead guy. I'm like, yeah, I'm a dead guy, man. And then you're like, you can't buy anything here. We don't like your kind here.
Oh!
He's promoting discrimination against me, man. He's promoting discrimination against my kind.
I like his kind just
My
fine.
kind.
I got him in my well.
Then why am I the only one you hire? Are you plenty of other people out there? You only hire me. You handcuff me down there, and you don't actually handcuff me, but like, you keep me down there. I want to go and be in a haunted house. You know? I have dreams of having my own room. That like a young couple walks into all scared, and then I pop up from the bed, and blood spurts out my neck. That's all I ever wanted. Upstairs, where I can scare everyone. I wanna be a ghost on the land. I can scare a couple holding hands. I want a chance to be up there. A chance to have a scare.
court, he was super dead in the house before he got thrown in the well.
Super
so the
dead.
house is rightfully his to haunt. Now, I heard you coming to my own verdict on your own. No, that's fine. Go ahead and mansplain it to me. I'm Get off!
Sorry.
All right, so I would like you to continue with the thought you already had on your own to give him the house. You will also make ghostly reparations in the form of Spanish doubloons, since that is the only currency that can pass from this world to the next.
I was a Caribbean man, you know.
Where am I gonna get Spanish doubloons?
That's not my problem. I've ruled. Dismissed.
Oh, news.
I just have a couple questions for you. My name is Jack Wagon, and this is Patricia Squishy Bottom. We are from Dead and Alive News, and I heard all about the case. Yes. And it seems like there is an underlying discriminatory factor in this case. How does that make you feel?
Well, you know, as bad as this is, I'm being a racist and all against us ghosts, you know.
Not technically racism.
Excuse me.
Discrimination against me.
Spiritism.
Oh, you know what? I'm getting paid, so I don't care anymore, yeah!
It's all about the dollars.
You got it, doubloons, you know.
So how do you feel about the verdict?
I feel like she did a good job. She, like, listened to me. You know, it's like when you're out here and you have, like, good acoustics and stuff, like, people can hear you. You know?
Yeah. All right, that's enough.
All right, yeah.
Okay,
Hi, Mom.
I have a question.
Okay.
So there's 100 calories in a cup of Smart Pop, and I ate a bag.
All right.
So what do you think that equals?
Yo, it was half a point on Weight Watchers. My wife did that before she fell. All right, she did this.
Okay, sounds good.
Your Honor, we're moving on to case number 16. Durston versus Braca.
Durston versus Braca.
Yes, there we are. This is an employment dispute brought by the ghost plaintiff against their living employer about the division of labor within the company. We have a lot of labor disputes today, Your Honor. Thank you so much.
All right, plaintiff, proceed.
Wait, does that mean?
Whoever is bringing the case is the plaintiff.
Oh, that's
Whoever's
me.
like...
That's you!
That's me.
You're
Okay.
complaining! You're bringing it? Let's go!
It's...
Your Honor, is that not some good haunting? Is that not some good haunting? Thank you. Yeah. I am employed by this, well, exactly my point. I was employed. I was scaring everyone. My haunting was legendary throughout the city. I wailed and I moaned. People ran screaming from the building.
Oh, they did.
They wet themselves.
You will wait your turn to speak.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
It was glorious. It was glorious. But a new employee was hired.
I had to. What?
You had to.
I had to hire another person!
Will you just wait your turn
Okay.
to speak?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ!
She's just
It's
lying.
right back here!
Oh, you're just lying up here.
Order! Are you finished with the shouting?
I mean, I'm a ghost. It's kind of what I do.
Yeah, but are you finished with it for now?
Okay, for now. Anyway, my hours have been cut. My hours have been cut and cut and cut. I am barely haunting. I'm a ghost. I scare people. That is what I do.
Oh, and there's
Okay, well,
Can I speak now? Okay, sorry. Let's
Go
hit your
ahead.
hammer. Hit your hammer. Let me stop. I'll stop talking now.
I'll hit my hammer when I feel like hitting my hammer, and it might be right upside the top of your head. Now continue with your defense.
Okay. Oh, me now?
If you make me call on Jesus Christ one more time,
pretend to be a ghost, and they scared more people. I hired Patricia and Susan. They work at a school. They're school teachers. They're happy faces, and they put makeup on in my haunted house, and they all scare the hell out of people.
Your Honor, I have photographs here of the ghost.
Thank you.
Impersonated.
You can see they are way more scary.
Well, I would like to hear. I feel like we need a ghost off. It's the only way to solve things. When things get this ghastly. Where is your witness? Bring him up on this stage. Have him stand here and scream in ghostly rage. They'll go 1-to-1 like a rap battle held in hell. And then there won't be much for me to judge and tell. We need a witness.
Oh, I don't have
We need a witness. Look at this one, ready to go. She's gonna go boom. If you can't produce someone else, then the verdict won't go to you. Need a
So I gotta admit something. I killed them all. They passed me on this place to heaven above.
Got no
I
witness.
don't have a witness.
Got no witness.
I got no witness.
Got no witness.
But I have a videotape
Oh,
that proves my point.
I'd like to see that.
It's on my cell phone here. Just press play. You can see they're scary as shit.
No.
And by the sticking this stairs in my big ass head. Oh, kill my witness. I kill my witness. I kill my witnesses. So yes, I'm not a good owner. I'm not a good proprietor of a ghost con.
Worst!
I'm gonna eat this.
But my point is still true though. Like you didn't sign a contract that said I had to give you any hours. I'm still giving you the day shift. You know when the the nursing homes come through and they're still awake and all that stuff. We get to scare them.
Technically, you're giving me hours,
Yes.
but you're giving me nothing. Nothing. I get paid in scares. In scares. And I get no scares.
I think they're booing you, right? They're booing.
I think they're very much booing you.
Yes!
Yes. You're a terrible person. Very, very bad. When you end up dying and coming in this court again, you are going to be destroyed. Super destroyed. And in fact, I have reached my verdict. My verdict is that while you are still on this mortal coil, you must restore her hours. Not only that, you must provide hours for the 2 women that you killed and who will surely not be able to leave your place now. Also, you must pay them in Spanish doubloons.
I don't have those.
Also,
I don't have those.
you better find them. And if you do not find them, I put a 30-day curse upon your head. If you don't find them in 30 days, you will automatically die and join Jesus Christ in the back. So be it. I love that. Very good. Yeah, I mean, work on your stage presence a little bit.
I don't even get an interview.
No.
Oh, okay.
Calm down. Calm down now.
So how are you feeling after your win?
I'm feeling just spooktacular.
Okay.
Now, you done something I done never seen in a courtroom. You done come in for a totally different case, and you admitted to a murder. Now, you must be the dumbest fool I've ever seen in my life. Please tell me what was going on in your mind.
Well, it's my least of my concerns because I don't know where the hell they get Spanish doubloons. I mean, I did admit to killing some people, but they were already pretending to be ghosts, so I thought maybe they would. It was a bad idea, yes, I know. And I don't know what to do anymore at all, and I'm obviously a mistake of a person.
Thank you for proving my point.
Oh.
Patricia, you got any more questions?
I really don't think this is fair. Because I think that the killings were a separate issue. I once killed someone who took my Amazon Prime password and then broke up with me.
The hell you said?
Hey, nobody cares about your opinion in this court.
All right, well, thank you.
And now, we're going to cut to commercial break.
Hey there, you need some Spanish doubloons? Hey, I got them down here with Spanish doubloons. You know, come bring your money, I'll give you Spanish doubloons. You have a recent hunt? Have a court case you lost? Come to me, I'll give you Spanish doubloons. 1-800 Spanish doubloons. Hey, Peter here, bye.
I was hoping he was gonna do the jingle, because then that was just gonna get stuck in my head all day.
In my head too, Your Honor.
We should sing it.
We should sing the jingle. Lucky to be a clerk in this court. My next case.
I'm taking this off. It is like I'm still down there, you know?
Your curls are just as magnificent with it off, Your Honor.
Great.
Case number 27, being Crabble versus Nags. This is a contract dispute between living litigants related to appropriate disclosure of the nature of value-added haunting. I don't know what that... Let's hear it. Value-added haunting.
Defense here, plaintiff here. Well, I don't know, whatever, do whatever you want. Great, so you'll go second. Go ahead.
Well, thanks, Your Honor. So when I moved into this apartment, and I was promised that there would be a haunting value to it, and it was there for a little while, but it's not there now, and I think that's lame.
How do you know it is missing? Would you know the difference between a haunted and not haunted property?
Yeah, I mean, I didn't know beforehand, but I got accustomed to the furniture would walk around a little bit, defy gravity from time to time, and now it just...
Oh, like
I'm not very familiar with that. But now it's just boring in there and dusty and...
all right, so you're saying you bought a house expecting it to be haunted. It was
Yes.
not haunted.
It was, but then it wasn't.
You don't know what musicals are, so we could never date. Now your defense.
Yes, I did list the house as Plus Coast. It was haunted. The couch was haunted. The couch that you threw out. And it wasn't just any couch. This was a mid-century modern Eames couch. An Eames couch!
It was an Eames
He
couch!
spilled a beer on the Eames couch! It's art! It's art that you get to sit on!
Nobody knows what an Eames couch is.
What? Yes, we do! Yes, we do! Yes!
Order. All right, so
Your Honor, we have the couch.
Your Honor.
We have the couch in question.
Senator,
Oh, God.
Into it.
Oh, gee. Oh, wow.
just go ahead.
Oh, God, that's priceless.
Oh, my God. Look at those lines. They're so nice.
It was so beautiful. It was the one piece in the house.
Where can you sit? When you need to sit. And your butt needs a place to rest. You can sit on a Broyhill, Ethan Allen, or something else. But everyone knows that Eames is the best. Eames is best. Eames is best. was.
Oh, it's coming down now that you're not singing.
The couch was what was haunted, don't you see? And he tossed that away. Oh no, I
He put
see
it
that
in the
very
dumpster. And now he wants another ghost? Well, I want
don't-
another couch.
I just want the place to be haunted, and I don't know that I knew for certain it was the couch that was the thing.
I'm mostly fairly
But I don't
specific
know
that I
if
might
you
have
noticed
mentioned it.
the smell. So it's
I
clear-
am a ghost, sir.
Well,
And
okay.
I cannot notice more the smells. But thank you for bringing that to my attention and hurting my feelings for the first time today. So tell me, describe the smell in detail, please, all of it.
It's really like a bouquet of a combination of,
Okay, like what?
well,
It smells like somebody died in it, Your Honor.
Oh, well, like what kind of death?
well, you get, well,
Well, sing a bit. All the smells singing in a song.
sometimes you hear about the sweet smell of death, but actually it's a combination of vomit and orange juice. If you let 'em sit there for several days or even weeks, it starts to resemble the sweet
I'm not exploding again.
That's how you get a haunted couch.
I don't understand why you haven't been singing in your own home. You've got the voice of an angel or a really, really hot demon.
Yeah, I get that kind of frequently, but no, just the smell. It's got like a spring that just surprises you, and it's not a bachelor pad couch for a bachelor who wants to be attractive.
Wait a second. But you bought the haunted house. You thought that was gonna make you sexy? I'm back and forth on you. You didn't know musicals. You really described that smell well, and now it's clearly you are hapless when it comes to dating. I'm over this.
I identified the couch as a smelly thing in the room. I can shower, and that would make me not the smelly thing. The couch, however, it's like a one-trick pony. It floats around the room, and it smells bad. I just want a haunting
Do you
that
have
ideally
anything
has
else to
maybe
say?
a
The
freeze
couch is
component.
smelly.
I have an ottoman. It's mildly haunted.
Here's the island right here.
It's right there.
There's a dead puppy
It's
inside of
haunted
it.
by a Chip is a good boy. A good boy. And that is a good ottoman.
I mean, would you take the ottoman? Will you take the ottoman with the couch? You can't stop pounding on the dead puppy.
I'm just trying to get the smells out of it first. It's hard to
It's
tell.
a dead puppy inside. The smell is not getting any better.
That's what people say. I'm just trying to ascertain for myself.
No, I know. He is ridiculous. I swipe left.
Just trying to rent my house.
All right, I've reached my verdict. Oh, well, thank you very much, because I was about to tell you, you gotta sit with this shit.
I can put it in the corner. It doesn't have to.
You need to give it a place of honor. There is a puppy inside it. His spirit is trapped inside. And all it wants to do is find.
Your Honor, it looks like a miniature dachshund, too.
Oh,
Just cuddle under your feet.
I kind of like it. I just won't tell people about the dead puppy part.
No, tell women love puppies. We are trying to help you here.
Take their help.
All right. So says I. You must keep the Ames couch. You must get it restored at an actual upholsterer.
I know a guy.
Don't try. She knows a guy. Don't try to DIY this shit. This isn't the Ames. Okay. You will also keep the ottoman.
I want that one.
Good. Yes. You want them both. We'll also keep the ottoman. I also order you to just go on a date with a real human woman. How about the two of you? No, you like it. Yeah. Look at what is brewing here. Oh
Here, I'll grab the ottoman.
I mean, I'm giving you a choice right now, but I'm about to order to make it
Oh,
happen.
fine, okay.
Ah!
Match, that is my verdict. So says I. Oh my God, I'm good at this job.
Your Honor, if the court could go to a brief recess.
Well, I think that we got some interviews first.
I'm always jumping the gun.
Go.
Now I forgot your name because you're about the second dumbest person I've ever seen.
It's Crable.
It don't matter now. See, you threw away a mid-18th century English couch. And it smelled like vomit and orange juice. Everybody knows that when it smells like vomit and orange juice, it's haunted and it flies. But you are also the luckiest because you got a date, you got an ottoman, and the couch back. How do you feel?
Conflicted, but trending towards good.
I guess that'll suffice.
Yeah.
Patricia.
So, it sounds like a win-win for him and not so much for you.
I feel a little coerced.
Yeah,
Little
yeah.
bit.
You're gonna be dating a guy who has a dead puppy in his ottoman.
Oh no, I love Chipper, and I'm looking forward to actually spending more time with the ottoman. But
Wait, well, do you have any other properties for rent in the area?
I do actually. Are you interested?
I am, but
okay,
they are
well, let's
haunted.
talk.
Okay.
Before we go
Yes?
to recess, do we have any other commercials? That was fun that one time.
I don't know, Your Honor. Let's just press play on the commercial button. Let's see what happens.
Well, hey here, you got one of them couches in this Honda, you need a reupholster, you gotta come to Honda Ghost Expert Upholstery. That's me, Ron again, yeah. You come bring your cash and I'll stake your couch back together. I'll put Spanish doubloons in it. I'll do whatever you want. Spanish doubloons. Spanish doubloons. 8 couches now. Thanks.
He does everything. And now the court goes to a brief recess as the service staff refreshes your drinks. That's intermission, people. It's intermission.
Ghost Court is now in session.
Clerk,
Yes, Your Honor.
how you been feeling about all of this? What a day, right?
You are wise and judicious, Your Honor.
Yeah. Do you have anything else to say?
I will eat. If you're asking, Your Honor.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's appropriate here in the courtroom.
Go ahead.
Yes, Your Honor, I've been your clerk and your minion,
I'm giving you the floor.
your servant, all of that for so many years.
Yes, you can.
And you know, sometimes I think that I love you to death.
Oh,
I dream of when I might finally rest. And when I dream, I see you in my mind. Your Honor, I think you're just fine. I love you to death. I love you to death. Oh, this isn't going well. In a purely professional way. I'm glad I am employed. It is the job I have enjoyed. It's a position today I love to death. I love it to death. I love my job. It is the best.
that's not what I was saying before.
I love my job to death. Your Honor, we're going into case number 20. plaintiff and the living defendant related to obstruction of ghostly smells from a retail business.
Ooh, more smells.
Go, it's Shrimp Man! Shrimp Man is in the here's the heel! Shrimp Man.
Great, so you're the plaintiff?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna say one little thing.
Shoot, pretty lady.
Okay. Please refrain from pelvic thrusting in this.
Okay, they didn't call me Shrimp Man, the shrivel guy, for nothing when I was in my fratting college!
Proceed.
Shrimp Man!
Okay. I hear one more air horn. Bailiff, you have my permission to suck a soul straight out. Proceed.
Okay, so one time when I was in college, my buddies and I, we got all these eggs and we put it under my bed and it smelled so rank. And so that was my thing in my frat. I was the smelly guy. And it was so cool because I got laid all the time. And it was my life just depended on how I smelled. I loved it. And I died in a tragic bong-related accident. So when I died, the smell just followed me into the afterlife. It's my biggest defining characteristic. And this guy has this meat place next door. And when I was alive, I loved meat. But now meat covers up my stank.
What have you to say, meat man?
My stank is what makes this town. My father passed down his barbecue to me, and he said, son, I've never been around you before, but when you took this establishment off of my hands, I knew that you'd make the family proud. Then this drunk came into my town. I was born and died, and I was born, but it was cool. How many land? No, you're not cool. I'm never cool. No, you're not cool.
Your Honor, I have here a signed affidavit from 347 Alpha Chi Brothers demonstrating the Shrimpman's coolness there for you. They testify in affidavit that he is indeed the coolest.
Great. This is a great piece of evidence, really.
I'm
However,
great.
I will assign this. I will give you this case right now if you can produce one woman you've slept with.
Okay,
It's just one. Even over the clothes stuff would be okay.
whatever. I had tons of sex. I had tons of sex when I was in the frat house.
All right.
Left hand doesn't count.
Order. Verdict is in. Solid burn.
She wishes that she got this.
All right. Before we continue with this fantasy life that you are still living in. So you're saying he smells so bad he's covering up your smell?
He can't cover up my smell.
That meat smell sucks.
His shittiest aspect isn't even good enough to compete with a simple delicatessen.
So what is your problem with this smell?
It's
my
my
problem.
plaintiff.
I got a problem, bro. I got a
Oh,
problem.
your problem. See, I just stopped thinking after you claimed you had sex with so many men.
I did. It's just all of them are at their aunt's house right now. They can't come over because they're all like busy with stuff. No, I had so much sex in high school and in college.
This is a safe place. You can admit whatever's going on in here that makes you feel like you need to say such big words. And I feel like you should sing it. Like a really sweet little love song about what's going on in here.
But I kind of want to do it.
We'll support you. Yeah.
Freshman year, my buddies decided, yo, Shriven, we got this bucket of eggs. We're gonna find a place to hide them. So they stuck them in my bedroom, and I learned to live with it. It was the smell that became me, and I lost all that was left. I smell bad, and no one likes me. I had this girl that I loved, she walked out on me, 'cause I smell with doing all this silly stuff. I just feel like I wasted my life. So I come up with these stupid court cases, when all I know is that I wanted a wife. But I still no, I smell bad. No, I don't even
Well, I very much appreciate your honesty. And I hope that you can see that, first of all, we've established the rule that in the afterlife we can't smell. That's why I like having smells described to me. It's very sensual. So you don't smell here. And you get to just be you.
I don't know who I am anymore.
You'll figure it out. You have an eternity. And you're free to go. He's gonna be fine now. But please, no fucking air horns.
I'm done with that shit. I'm done. Kenny, I'm done.
Go give some bro hugs to your bros. I'm just throwing this case out. Case thrown out.
Come here, son. You are quite the specimen. And that is not a compliment.
I'm trying to figure my life out, you know?
Yeah, how does it feel to live a lie your whole entire life?
Well, it makes me remember, like, before the eggs a little bit. And I want to get to know that shit more.
I think we all would. I think you learned your lesson today. Is that a correct statement?
I mean, I was the plaintiff, so I wanted him to learn his lesson.
He did not learn anything.
Yeah, I feel like I did.
I did learn something.
Oh, well, pardon me for speaking.
We can all grow. And we can all make new friends. Come here. Come here. I love you. Let's go. Let's go.
Tear his soul from his heart.
off.
It makes all my holes turn back on inside themselves. Just so you know. For the future.
I'm saving that image of you. Your Honor, case number 21, Spiller versus Asante. This is a haunting rights dispute between the ghost plaintiff and the living defendant concerning admission to age-controlled establishments.
What's going on?
You doffed a fake hat to me.
You didn't follow me into the afterlife.
Ah.
I'm sorry.
That's okay. All right, plaintiff.
That would be me.
Fantastic, go ahead.
Well, here's the thing. I tried to get into her establishment. I, upon my death, was 20, which is a young age, not at the time, 140 years ago. Actually, I probably only had about 6 years left. So, I feel as if now, in my accelerated age of 160 years old, I should be allowed to go into a bar and sit up at the bar and have a drink.
Deny!
This is what I hear every time.
All right, now you can't just say deny. I need to know why.
Your Honor, I'm sorry. Let me just say it's an honor to be here today. You smell fantastic.
You can smell me?
I have that sense about me.
Smell me. Smell me right here. Smell where I've ghost sweat for at least 80 years. I can't smell here in the ghost world. In the midst of all the smells I smell for. Fresh bread, fresh everything I can smell it. I don't know what to do when I can't smell no Pardon me.
Your Honor, to enter into evidence, here is the plaintiff's driver's license. It marks him at 20 years of age.
20.
That
And
is,
as you see there, I was given permission to drive a cart drawn by 2 or more horses. This was the thing that I was driving because, you know,
You
then,
understand? You understand?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Having a women-owned business, which I do. Thank you very much. I will say that I pride myself in making sure that I don't have any little like boys or young girls running around my club. You gotta be 21 and I will snip you out. You know why?
She will.
Because these young men are liars. Have you ever been lied to, Judge? Was by a man ever?
Always.
See? Case of liars.
All right, I'm hearing both of you, but you have not said why, beyond just that you don't like it, he can't come into your establishment. He is dead now. He's 160 by, well, technically 140 by this realm's counting of ages.
Bronner, when I was a young little girl,
Oh, this is gonna be good.
when I was a young little girl growing up on my granddaddy's farm, when my grandma passed away, well, let me sing it, hold on. One day when I was young, my grandma passed away.
You're standing in front of me right here, right now, and you don't seem afraid. I'm touching you here in this courtroom, and you are not afraid.
Thank you, Jesus!
Well, that was beautiful, and I'm glad we saw such an emotional turn so quickly, right in the middle. However, you have still not presented any compelling evidence why this man cannot be in your bar. So I fine you 50 doubloons for first being spiritist. That's right, thank you. 50 doubloons, and you must give this man free drinks for a year. So says I.
thank you, Officer Arado. You hear the honor. I sit at your bar, I drink your drinks, I look across the bar at you, and I laugh, and I laugh, and I scare the shit out of you.
It's very easy to file anything, really, if he gets out of hand. Just come back.
All right, I may do that, Your Honor. I may do that. Thank you for, letting me sniff you.
You may Venmo me the golden balloons. Venmo, I'm on Venmo.
Okay, now, I'm sorry about your loss to Amish Count Chocula, but I'm sorry about your grandma. I really am sorry. That's a great hat. Would you like to read some of my Game of Thrones fan fiction?
Seems like the judge got it very right.
Sort of. Yes. If, the judge ruled in my favor, but I barely had an opportunity to state my case. I felt that 100 golden balloons was appropriate
I'm
assessment.
right here. Go in.
This is your moment.
Well, when I was a very little boy, I knew that my death was imminent. I grew up in a time while learning to
people are never satisfied.
They really never are satisfied.
Sometimes I wonder at the end of the day if anyone learns their lesson.
I mean, somebody could share a courtroom for years and years with someone and never notice. Standing right there with some hunchback. I feel like, oh goodness, it's just the heat in here. I'm so close to hell. Maybe everybody can come back in for the cases, because that's all we have.
That's all we have. We only have the things that we learn throughout the course of the day.
You could unlock the door, you know, or we can't even go home.
Everybody get in here.